Hi, welcome back. Today we're making crispy hot honey chicken tenders. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is wash your tenders with water and vinegar. Make sure your tenders are completely dry before adding any seasoning. I use pepper, smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, oregano, and slap your mama seasoning. After you season your chicken tenders, you're going to add the buttermilk. You're just going to add enough to cover the chicken tenders. Next, you're going to add your hot sauce and give it a good mix. Once everything is fully incorporated, you're going to put it in the refrigerator and let it sit for 24 hours. And if you can't wait, an hour is good enough. In a large bowl, you're going to add the seasonings you used before. You're also going to add flour, cornstarch, and panko crumbs. Once your tenders are done marinating, it's time to add it to our dry batter. Let your tenders rest for about 5 to 10 minutes just to let the dry ingredients stick to it. Once your oil hit 350 degrees, you can add in your tenders. You're going to fry your chicken tenders for 6 to 8 minutes or until they're golden brown. The sauce, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter to a pan on medium-high. Next, you're going to add in the honey. Now you can add in your hot sauce. This is based off your taste. If you want it spicy, I would add a lot of hot sauce, but if you want it on the more sweet side, just add a little. Okay, you're going to cook this down for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once your sauce is done, you're going to drizzle it over your tenders. If you like extra sauce, just double the recipe. I hope you try this recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy.